Let's go, Reddick. Enough. Enough. Mommy's tired already. Let's go. You've been there for an hour already. Okay, keep quiet. Kay Nuno sleeping. A bat daw siya, Daddy. Hello. Boat, aso na to. Kasi palot. Yummy? Ito ano na lagi sa Cagayan. Ilarga ang tug Manila ron kay exam niya. Mistake siya sa exam Monday. Oh. You're done? Are you done? Abat daw siya, Daddy. Isa na. Isa na. Isa na. Say bye-bye. Let's go. Enough na. Enough ba? Bye-bye na lang sa camera. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, lagi you're gonna take a bath. Say bye-bye like that. Bye-bye, Grandma. Did you say bye-bye, Grandma? Say it again.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Grandma, bye-bye.
Okay.